Hey guys, what's up? What's good? What's popping, guys? Welcome back to my channel. This is Flora base, and I'm back again with another video. I'm so excited. I'm super excited to record this video today, guys. For those of you coming here for the first time, you're most welcome, guys. Please consider subscribing to my channel by clicking on that red subscribe button, and also don't forget to turn on your post notification bell. By so doing, you'll be the first to be notified when I upload a new video. And for those of us that's already part of this channel, welcome back, guys. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, drop a comment below in the comment section. Let me know what you think about this video, guys, and also share this video with your friends and loved ones, and let them be part of this channel as we explore Africa and beyond, guys. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive right into this video. Welcome back, guys. You've already seen the title of today's video: how to prepare the best hibiscus flower drink, your Zobo drink. Hibiscus plant flower is known as Zobo to the Nigerian people, Sobolo in Ghana. Some call it Sorrel, some call it Rosla, and some other people call it Zoborodo. Zobo drink is a wonderful, refreshing and healthy drink. Guys, let's take a quick look at the recipes that makes this drink the best drink. Here are the recipes. We have Zobo flower, that's the hibiscus plant flower. We also have pineapple. We also have ginger. We have cloves. We have some oranges and lemon. Lastly, for the sweetening, we will be using dates for sweetening. Guys, for me, I don't like using sugar for my sweetening. I prefer going for the natural sweetener, and that is why we'll be using dates. Dates also have an amazing health benefit. Well, guys, I'm going to talk about dates in another video. So guys, now let's dive right into the preparation proper. Here we go, guys. I'll be preparing my Zobo by tomorrow, but what I want to do first is to give my Zobo a quick rinse and soak it thereafter. Yeah, the reason why I'm soaking my Zobo is because I want to get the best out of it. Guys, if you really want to get the best out of your Zobo drink, out of your Zobo flower, please do soak it overnight. By the next morning, you will see how it's going to look like. It will mainly looking at it and the aroma you're going to get from it when you soak overnight. So right now I've finished rinsing it, and I'm pouring it into the pan which I'm going to be using. I'm going to use to steam. I'm going to use to steam my I'll be using to cook my Zobo. So now I'm pouring water into it. I'll pour the water to the level which I want it to be, and after which I'll cover it, then take it to the refrigerator to sit overnight, guys. By tomorrow, you see how this will look. Wow, this is the next morning. Like, I soaked my Zobo since yesterday evening, and this is a new day. I just brought my Zobo out from the refrigerator, and see how intense, see how good it looks. Man, the aroma from the pot is something else, guys. So now I'm going to quickly I'm going to bring this to a boil. But please mind you, when you are boiling your zobo, you really don't need to boil it on a very high heat. Make sure you reduce your heat, yes, to the lowest, just to allow it steam, to take time to steam very well. And now what I'm doing is to add the first ingredient I'm going to add to my zobo is the clove. I already blended clove. So please guys, you can blend your clove. Sometime, in case you don't have a blender to blend it, you can as well pound your clove. Guys, this drink is a bomb. This drink is so amazing. Quickly, here are some health benefits of Zobo drink. Zobo helps to reduce the high blood pressure. Zobo drink helps to prevent heart-related disease. Zobo drink helps to reduce cholesterol in the body. Zobo drink helps to strengthen the blood vessels. Zobo drink contains vitamin C, which raises the immune system of the body. Zobo traditionally has been used as a cure for ailments such as cough, upset stomach, bacteria or fungal infections. Guys, I can go on and on talking about the wonderful and amazing benefit of this drink. Zobo drink helps to calm your nerves. Literally, like when you're stressed up after the day's job, after the day's business, all you need is just a glass of Zobo drink. Okay guys, here we are with my pineapple. I really do not like using the outer part of the pineapple, but please don't get me wrong. The outer part is medicinal, guys. It's really medicinal. But for me, I really don't like it. This for personal reason. So, but that doesn't mean I won't be using the inner part of my pineapple. But just watch what I do. I'm going to give this pineapple, I'm going to peel it off twice. So the outer part I'm peeling off, and I'm going to dispose of that. Then the inner part, the second part of it, this part that has this dots on it, that's the part I'm going to slice and put in the pot to boil alongside with my Zobo flour and the other ingredients already in the pot. Yes, so now the remaining part of the pineapple, I'm going to cut it. That's the part I'm going to blend and extract the juice from it, because the juice is what I need. At this point, I don't really need the fiber. So now I'm done slicing it. And the next thing is to take care of my ginger. I'm going to slice my ginger, cut it into some smaller parts. Okay guys, the next thing I'm going to do is to take care of my dates. The date has a seed in it, so I advise you guys, before you use your date, just make sure you open it. As you can see, I'm opening my date. Open the date, take out the seed from it, then soak it for some seconds, like some 30 to 45 seconds, to enable it. I'm going to use my wet blender for it, so I'm soaking it for like 30 to 45 seconds, after which I extract the water, then pour the dates into my blender containing my ginger and pineapple. So I'm going to blend this. After blending, I'm going to sieve it, that's to extract the juice from the pineapple. Yes, so after extracting the juice is what I'll be needing, because the juice contains my sweetener. Yes. Okay guys, so now this is how it looks after blending. So now I'll be sieving. I'm going to sieve it. So here we go. The Zobo is ready. Already sieved. I had to sieve it. So now the content I got is quite much. So I'm going to be sharing this into two. The other part will be kept in the refrigerator, while the part I know will be able to consume for the next 2 to 3 days is what I'm going to mix right now. As you can see, my juice, or my extracted juice from the pineapple, the mixture of the pineapple, ginger and dates. Now I'm introducing it. I'm adding it to one part of the Zobo drink. Yes, as I add, I check the taste. If it's okay to my taste, I'm cool with it. So right now guys, we are done with our Zobo preparation. Guys, this drink is good. This drink is the best drink. I will recommend you guys try this at home. Just try this. When you try this, you won't think of taking any other drink, because the health benefit of this drink is something else. Okay guys, yes, we have come to the end of this video. Please remember to subscribe to my channel in case you've watched this video and you've not done so. Please subscribe, and don't forget to turn on your post notification bell. By so doing, you won't miss any of my video, guys. Until I come your way next time, Flora Best remains my name. Be the best of you, and don't give up on your dream. Peace, guys.